Here's a 2015 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. From its dominant exterior to its unrivaled road handling, you're about to go where you never thought possible. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, active front and rear anti-roll bar, integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled supercharged V8 engine. Edmunds.com explains what's immediately apparent is that all this talk of agility is not marketing waffle. The way the Sport changes direction is hugely impressive, even at speeds that would have been downright worrying in the old model. This could well prove to be the first Land Rover that's genuinely fun to drive on a challenging, twisty road. Land Rover exudes total confidence on every terrain. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.